So on this video, I am showing you guys how you can be able to install VPN. So simply just go to Play Store. In Play Store, you can be able to get different VPNs. So I will open Play Store. I will type, for this video, I'll just show you how to get Express VPN. So I'll go to the search menu and I will type the word VPN. So it's VPN. Then once you finish search, I will use this. I wanted this Express VPN. There are different types of VPNs, as you can see. There is Surf, there is Node. So I'll choose Express. So I will open it. I will say install VPN. So it's actually right now downloading. It's pending. Depending with the internet you have, it will be faster. Mine is already heading to half. In percentage, we are at 67, 74, finishing up with 100 in a few. Once we finish, it's going to start installing. So we wait for it to now start installing. It's installing. Once it finishes installing, we will just open it and you can be able to see. And if you have to pay for it, for subscription, you'll have just to pay for it. Yes, and that is very easy. Just go to Play Store, look for the VPN that suits you. You can be able to satisfy the needs that you want to use, and you can be able to actually download the VPN for your usage. Yes, it's installing. We give it a few moments for it to finish installing. Once it finishes installing, we can be able now to open it. It has finished installing. Once it finishes, open it and you can be able to see it's opening and you can be able to pay for the subscription. You can be able to use it, and depending on the offers they are going to be giving you. Thank you for watching. I hope you will enjoy using your VPN.